Hi there, I'm Judy Croon, Canada's Keynote humorist, because if you can't laugh on your spiritual journey, you're doing it wrong. Welcome to another episode of the Judy Croon Show, Laugh Long and Prosper, self-help with a smirk. Today is Monday, that means it's just another Mindful Monday, so I would like to take this opportunity to do one of my signature top 5 takeaway book reviews from A New Earth by Eckhart Tolle. This is a book that will help you let go of ego, embrace the now, and maybe stop yelling at your Wi-Fi. Here we go. Tip number 5 from A New Earth. The ego is not your amigo. According to Tolle, the ego is that inner drama queen that needs constant validation. It's the one that takes things personally, needs to win every argument, and absolutely cannot stand when someone cuts you off in traffic. But once you see your ego, it starts to lose its grip, like a raccoon caught stealing your recycling. Tip number 4 from A New Earth. Presence is the new flex. Forget multitasking. Forget the to-do list. Okay, don't forget it entirely. Just don't become it. Tolle reminds us that the only real moment is this one. And when you're truly present, you stop replaying old stories and start living your actual life. Wild concept, right? Tip number 3 from A New Earth. Pain is recycled through resistance. He calls it the pain body, that emotional baggage that flares up whenever you're triggered. Tolle says if you resist it or identify with it, you feed it. But if you observe it without judgment, like, oh, look, my pain body wants to binge watch sad documentaries again, you begin to dissolve its power. Tip number 2 from A New Earth. Awareness is your superpower. Awareness isn't just for yoga class anymore. It's how you step out of your patterns, interrupt your internal soap opera, and make choices that align with your higher self. Bonus, it also helps you not scream at your Wi-Fi router. And finally, tip number 1 from A New Earth. Your life's purpose isn't out there. It's in here. Yes, you have an outer purpose, goals, gigs, grocery shopping. But Tolle says your primary purpose is to awaken, to be present, and to evolve consciousness. Everything else is secondary, even your air fryer. So what's the big takeaway from A New Earth? Well, you're not your job title, your to-do list, or the voice in your head that critiques your posture during yoga class. You are awareness. And the more you live from that space, the less life feels like a grind and more like a moment when your latte art actually turns out like a heart. Because let's be honest, the present moment may not always come with mood lighting and jazz piano, but it's still the most powerful place to be. And hey, if you enjoyed this review, I've also got a review of The Power of Now, Eckhart's other mindfulness classic, right here on my channel. So check it out when you're ready to be even more present, but not like annoyingly present. Until next time, laugh long and prosper. I'm Judy Croon.